for the little bird I found. Yeah. I found a little bird. It fell in I think it fell from the roof. So I thought it was hurt, whatever. But other people were like, you need to put it back. I'm like, no. If it's hurt, I'm not gonna put it there and leave it there, sit there in the middle of the porch. I'm gonna call somebody about it. It's not like I'm keeping it, but you know how people are sensitive online. But it ended up like flying away anyway, so that's the good part. And it wasn't a whatever that person was saying. It's a chickadee bird. A chickadee, that's what it was.